Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today in LA, it is super rainy outside and I thought, let's make a video that's cozy. And so I asked you guys, what kind of video would you like to see? And you guys suggested that I make a video following a Bob Ross tutorial. And I thought that was an amazing idea because I love Bob Ross. I grew up watching Bob Ross on PBS. He was a really talented painter and he painted so many episodes, like demos, showing you tutorials of how to paint these amazing like landscape paintings. If you were having a bad day, you could just watch one of his tutorials and just mellow out. So I really wanted to do this, but I wanted to make it unique for me as a foodie who loves to bake. So today I'm gonna be following a Bob Ross tutorial, but instead of using paint, I am going to be using buttercream icing. So what I did is I color matched all of the paints that Bob uses in this tutorial, and he shows these at the beginning of the video. He shows all the paint colors that you'll need and the brushes. I got everything. I went to the store. The tutorial that I'm following today is called Peaceful Reflections. I thought that would be perfect for a rainy day. Season 15, whoa, episode 4. So if you want to look it up online, you can follow along with me. Now I'm just gonna set this over here, grab my little palette. I'm gonna load this up with frosting, and then let's get started. The palette is now full of buttercream frosting, and it really looks like paint, but it's not. I assure you, this is frosting. Look, I'll even eat it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so good. So at the beginning of every Bob Ross tutorial, he paints the canvas with a liquid white, and that's just so the whole canvas has moisture and the colors move and blend really easily. Now I have frosting, which is very thick, so to make that blend, I've added a little frosting and water. We're gonna give it a go. Just paint a thin layer over the whole canvas. Kind of looks like cottage cheese. Oh gosh, but we're gonna do our best. We're gonna make Bob proud. Boom, now we're ready.
Hi, I'm glad you could join me today. Today we're going to do a wonderful little painting, and I really think you're going to enjoy this one. So I tell you what, don't waste any time. I'm going to go right into a smallest little amount of the Indian yellow, just a little color.
We're gonna go into the smallest little amount of Indian yellow and to thin out the buttercream icing because it is thick. I want to be dipping it in water. This is either going to be a great move or a disaster. We don't know.
I'll put a little yellowish glow in the sky. There.
You want it to be transparent.
I'm in a bright, happy mood today. It's a good day to be alive.
Yes, Bob. Light up the sky. Oh my gosh, this is kind of working. Go get it over here. Okay. Whew. That may have taken me 10 times more the amount of strokes that Bob did because I'm using buttercream icing, but I'm feeling good about this color. And now we've got to paint it down here. All right, Bob, teach me how.
What the heck? Okay, without even cleaning the brush, I'm gonna go right into a touch of alizarin crimson. And just
Ooh! Okay, I gotta paint a little bit more yellow down here. I don't know what I'm doing. Now we get to use a little bit of crimson.
tap a little bit into the bristles, like so.
Okay, tap a little into the,
Like so.
whoa.
A little bit right up above this.
Oops, that was red. This is the crimson. This is messing with my mind. I really think that this is paint.
Just wherever.
The crimson, just wherever.
Let them flow together.
Whoa, Bob. But it'll flow.
There we are.
It'll flow together. It'll flow together. Just
blend those edges out. Very nice.
Just blend those edges out. Really nice.
Put a little warm spot up there in the sky.
Put a warm spot.
Okay, we'll take a little crimson and we'll throw a little of that down here.
Put it
What
down
the
here.
heck? What the heck? We don't care.
What the heck? That's right. What the heck? We don't care. Oh gosh, we gotta blend this. I'm just gonna go for it. He's going for it. I'm going for it. Yes. We're using blue.
Using a little crisscross strokes. And I've started out here and working downward.
Strokes. Okay, we start darker in the corner. And then with a crisscross technique, I don't even know what that is. I don't know what a crisscross technique is. I think it's just this. Oh no, it's running. No, 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 no sugar. No, no, no. Saved it, saved it. Okay, we're all right. Dry it off, dry it off, dry it off. Okay, that's a lot better. We're doing it. Oh yes, 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 look at this. Crisscross, crisscross. Oh no, too much, too excited. Gotcha. All right, keep
Just
going
wanna
with
show you how to
blue.
make some phthalo blue and a touch,
Got some
just
blue,
a touch
just-
of phthalo green.
Oh, oh wow.
blue.
He's already on the green. He's already on the
And
Bob.
There. Just open it out.
I can do that. Paint. I think his stroke was inward.
And let's put some.
Oh, we start on the bottom. Him and Drake, they know what to do. Start on the bottom, work your way up. Start on the bottom, work your way up. Oh wow, his is very different than mine. Further, 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 further. Oh wow, what's that? That looks like something. All right, we're good. Okay, here we go, here we
Now, I want to
go.
blend the sky out. Be sure your brush is good, clean, and dry.
Dry. This is not blending. Look at this. I'm gonna try to add a little bit of water. I may regret this later, I don't know. Here goes nothing. Nothing bad's happening, but I don't really think anything good's happening. Put a little bit more water.
Step back and look at it, and you'll see a whole new perspective.
Definitely the top blended. I mean, surprisingly better than I thought, but maybe if I just keep stepping backward, it's gonna look great. Just keep going, just keep going, keep going, keep going, all the way back here. He really blended this. I mean, this is like, oh, wow. Okay, next up, we're going to make a mountain using this tool. It kind of looks like a spatula. I bake a lot, and it looks like a flat spatula. So I'm just gonna pretend this is what it is, and I'm just gonna ice myself a little mountain.
You got to make your first big major decision. Where's your mountain live in your world? Maybe.
Okay, he's putting
Maybe
it
your mountain lives
right here.
right there. Well, it sure does now.
Oh, how does he do that?
Firmly push that right into the fabric, like so. Use a lot of pressure.
You did it. Oop, the one time I want to drag something, it's not quite working.
Just really push.
Okay, and he kind of scrapes. Oh, it goes all the way down. A lot of pressure. And then he kind of trails off. We've made mountains, and now we're taking a 2-inch brush, and we're supposed to be blending. I'm a little nervous. I got this a little damp to help the frosting. We'll see what happens.
We can move color.
We can move color. That's what the goal is. Please move. Just yes. Yes.
Now, if you're on a dry canvas and you try to pull this paint, you're going to be in agony city.
Uh-oh. If you're working with a dry canvas and you try to pull this paint, you're gonna be in agony city. I hope that is not my city. I hope that this is happy city and not agony city, so that, oh, it's kind of looking weird. Uh-oh, that's okay, that's okay. Code red, we're gonna go back, we're gonna refrost. Somebody, I won't say who, made our mountain too big, so we're having a little bit of issues, but that's okay. We're gonna make it fun. I just gotta pull it further. Go for it, Ro. Okay, whoo, I gotta be brave, here we go. I'm just gonna gently spread. I'm not pressing that hard, but it's moving now. Just go gentle, and it will drag better. A gentle drag. Hashtag gentle drag. Let's take a step back. Take a gander. Okay, I think we've hit that line. All right, now we need to blend a little bit. He does like these. He's like, and we got one going this way. That's something. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Bob is going to show us how to make snow.
We take some white.
Snow on the mountain.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna take the least little touch of alizarin
White.
crimson and put in there just.
Oh, he's using this.
Least little amount.
Another one of these.
Don't want to set it on fire.
Oh, did he just put
very
some
flat.
crimson
Get
in there?
strong with it.
Just gonna mix these together. Ooh.
Now then, you have to make some big decisions.
Uh-oh.
In my world, I think the light's going to be coming from the right.
Okay, once again, we gotta make some big decisions. I'm a little nervous because the paint and frosting do not spread alike. He just drags it, but it goes all the way down. So I'm gonna have to be gentle. He said press hard, but with frosting, we have to be more gentle or it won't move. Here we go. Oh geez. Gentle, 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 gentle. I thought this would be the most similar to frosting. This does not look the same. Look at these little danglers. Okay, let's get these off. We're just gonna pick them up, eat them. Boom, mistakes are delicious. All right, here we go, we can do this. Now we gotta go for the top of the mountain. We're gonna need a lot of icing. I'm gonna move it down here. Oh no, I got black. Just go for it, just be gentle and just drag it all the way down. Yep. I know this is taking me a really long time, and it may be midnight by the time I finish this, like it may be dark outside, but I really want this to be nice because I love Bob so much. I want it to be an ode to him with my own creative twist. Got all the snow on here, and I cannot believe this is actually working. Like, this looks like a painting. This looks like snow, and it's all edible. I'm shook. Let's do this. Let's keep going. Next step, we're adding shadows using the same tool.
Now, let's push this one back. Watch right here.
Little
Right down to
indication.
here.
And then this one goes big. Yep. But you know what? I've got the power to move mountains, so I'm gonna start doing that. Curve.
Maybe there's a little shadow hides right in there.
Oh wow, he's done the whole mountain. Okay. Next up is the mist. Bob says to take a 2-inch brush and blend the bottom, tap, 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 gently tapping and like swiping up basically. But because the icing is dried and he's working with a wet canvas, I'm gonna have the brush be a little bit moist, and I'm also gonna be using what I used in the beginning, which is a little bit of frosting and water combined. I think that will help blend and make like a mist effect here. Ooh. All right, so he says gently tap the bottom. Oh my goodness.
Just caressing the canvas. It's
Oh,
barely
wow.
touching it.
Oh, this is already a disaster. Let's try this again. Lift, 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 lift. Tap, 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 tap. That does not look anything like Bob's.
Caressing the canvas. It's
Caressing the canvas, please work. I also left a lot more space in between the water and the mountain, so this all has to be mist. So from looking at Bob's photo, I'm actually gonna do a little bit of light. I'm gonna do light gray. Yeah, that's foggy. Dab it on there. Yeah, okay. Just gotta paint on top. Where does the mountain start? Where does it stop? We don't know. Cause this heavy fog. Oh, this little line I messed up, we'll just put fog over it. Boom! Fog fixes everything! Whew. Next.
Sometimes it's fun to come back and change your mountain.
What?
Put a little doer in there.
He's changing mountains.
Maybe there's comes right out to you. I don't know. Wherever you want it. Just sort of make a decision in your mind and drop it in.
I thought I was done with the snow. He's still going. He's
Practice
still
seeing
going with the
things in your
snow.
mind. Our little shadow back here. Maybe here and there. A little shadow.
Okay. All right, Bob. I'll do this. I'll do this. I cleaned my palette because I thought we were ready for the next step, but no, we went right back. We went rewind. Down and around. Good old frosting. All right, there we go, there we go. Pull down. Then on the back of the brush, he had this blue. Thank goodness, I have just a little bit left. It's so small. And he puts it right here. Oh, okay, don't mess this up, bro. Oh, I better quit. We're gonna make some trees.
And we'll take an old fan brush.
Fan brush.
Just load it full of color. A lot
Load
of
it.
paint. Both
Okay,
sides
load it full of color.
And all you're doing is tapping down over the fan brush.
Bob had less space between the mountain and the reflection, so his trees are a lot smaller. Mine are gonna have to be a lot bigger because there's more space. So we're gonna have some huge trees.
Just sort of working back and forth.
Back and forth. Ooh, I gotta get a new brush.
Use
Wait
the
for me,
traditional
Bob.
reflection.
Okay, we're almost there. Frosting, you've done so good so far. Don't fail me now. This is so good.
Because this is wet, all you have to do is grab it and pull it straight down. Like so. See there?
Okay, we better move fast. We're gonna just pull down. What a cool way to paint a reflection. That is so cool. Okay, all things considered, that's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Look at this, the blue comes all the way up to here. So we're just gonna add it here and we're just gonna blend it out. Bob said I could do anything I want in my world, so I need to add some more water. Yes, because it's reflecting in the water. I was scared I was gonna ruin it, and I just made it better. With the same little fan brush, we're just gonna paint a bunch of big, beautiful evergreens. I can't believe I spent the entire day painting. The sun is literally setting, it's getting dark outside. So I got a bite to eat, I put some fresh frosting on this palette, and now I am ready to continue painting. All right, let's keep painting and play that music. Ta-da! All done. Here is the Bob Ross painting that I made today using only frosting. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting this. I had so much fun. I spent the entire day painting, which I've never done before. This is my very first painting. I've never painted a mountain. I have never painted trees, and I have definitely never painted a scenery piece like this with frosting. It was a little tricky, which is why it took so long, but I think it was worth it. I learned a lot about painting with frosting, and now I feel like I'm a pro. I feel like this is my new hobby. Anyways, I had a blast. I can't thank you guys enough for suggesting this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I am making a ton of foodie videos and also like lifestyle and trying new things, and our family's growing. There's just so many exciting things going on this year, and I want to share those things with you. Also, if there is any other fun video ideas you have, please let me know in the comments down below, because I want to make them and try them and all these things. I had so much fun today. I don't know if you can tell, but also, this video was really special because I grew up watching Bob and I love him, and I got to spend the whole day with him and painting, and I can't believe that I grew up watching him. I watched him for so many years and I had never actually tried one of his painting tutorial videos. And maybe some of you guys do that with Nerdy Nubbies. Like maybe you guys watch Nerdy Nubbies but you've never actually tried it, but I'm kind of kicking myself for waiting so long because he's a great teacher. Like, look at this. This is my first painting and it's with frosting. Bob, there's always a lot of love for you. All right, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.